Open up the sterile sheet. Fold it in half, then half again. Tear out the folded corner to create a window that adequately exposes the female genitalia.
Okay, Mrs. Richards, we're going to get you ready now for the procedure.
At this point, the chaperone can now expose the lower half of the patient. Position the sterile sheet over the female genitalia, ensuring that the absorbent side is facing up. Place the kidney dish between the patient's legs. Using your non-dominant hand, separate the labia to expose the urethral meatus. This is now considered your dirty hand and must not touch any sterile equipment. Clean around the urethral orifice with the gauze balls soaked in saline using single downward strokes. Policies may differ, but generally you clean from inner to outer. Now it's time for the lidocaine gel, which will ensure the patient's comfort during the insertion.
Mrs. Richards, we're now going to use some of the numbing gel to help minimize any discomfort you might feel during the procedure.
Before administering the InstillaGel, warn the patient that this may feel cold and sting a little. To administer, gently insert the tip of the InstillaGel into the urethra and slowly push the plunger forward until the whole volume is expelled. Allow 5 minutes for the lidocaine to numb the urethra. Dispose your contaminated equipment and remove your gloves.